Hi, very good evening students. Welcome to video classes. I hope you all are fine. Right, all of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay. So students, we are in the chapter nutrition in animals. Right. Okay, so in previous classes we have learnt about nutrition and digestion and different ways of taking food in some animals. Right. Okay. Students, today in this class, I am going to teach you once again digestion in humans. Okay, students, we take in food through the mouth, digest and utilize it. Right? Okay, the unused parts of the food are defecated. Okay, have you ever wondered what happens to the food inside the body? The food passes through a continuous canal. Okay, so which begins at the mouth and it ends at the anus. Okay, and the canal can be divided into various compartments. Okay, so the buccal cavity, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine ending in rectum, anus. Okay, so these are the various compartments of human digestive system. Okay, so is it not a very long path, right? Okay, so these parts together form a digestive tract. Okay, and the food components gradually get digested as food travels through the various compartments. And the inner wall of stomach and the small intestine and the various glands associated with the canal such as salivary glands and liver and the pancreas secretes digestive juices. So the digestive juices convert complex substances of food into simpler ones. The digestive tract and the associated glands together constitute the digestive system. Okay, so now let us know what happens to the food in different parts of the digestive tract. Okay, so dear students, all of you see here, this is human digestive system. Okay, so here this is the mouth part, right? Okay, so mouth part, it is also called as a buccal cavity. Okay, so the food is taken into the body through the mouth, right? Okay, so the process of taking food inside the body is called as a ingestion. Okay, and we chew the food with the teeth and break it down mechanically into small pieces. Okay, and here in mouth, each teeth is rooted into a separate sockets in the gums. Okay, so our teeth vary in appearance and perform different functions also. Okay, and arrangement of teeth and different types of teeth and their function that we have learnt in previous class, right? Okay, and in our mouth there will be salivary gland is also present. Okay, so this salivary glands secretes saliva. Okay, here in our mouth tongue is also present, right? And the tongue is a fleshy muscular organ attached at the back to the floor of this buccal cavity, and it is free at the from and can be moved to all directions. Okay, so we use our tongue for talking, right? Okay, so beside this, okay, so tongue mixes saliva with food during chewing, okay, and helps in swallowing food also. And we also taste foods with our tongue. Okay, So it has a taste buds and it detects different tastes of food. Okay. And after, what happens? This swallowed food passes into the food pipe or a esophagus. Okay, so all of you see here, this is esophagus or food pipe. Okay, after swallowing food inside the mouth, okay, so it enters or passes through this esophagus. Here, this food pipe runs along the neck, right? Okay, so this is neck, right? And chest. Okay, this part is chest, right? Students, all of you see here. Okay, so this is esophagus, right? Okay, so here what happens? And here food particles takes movement, right? Okay, so movement of the food in the esophagus to alimentary canal. Okay, so food is pushed down by the movement of the wall of the food pipe. Okay, so this is the wall of the food pipe, right? Okay, so food is pushed down, okay, by the movement of the wall of this food pipe, and actually this movement takes place throughout the alimentary canal. Okay, so throughout the alimentary canal, this movement taking place, okay, and pushes the foot downwards, okay, towards the downwards. This is upward. Okay, here pushes the foot towards the downwards, and at times the food is not accepted by our stomach. Okay, so this is our stomach, right? Okay, so in case food is not accepted by this stomach and it is vomiting out. Okay, after pushing down by the wall of the esophagus, food coming into the stomach. Okay, so here this is stomach. Okay, so the stomach is a thick walled bag. Okay, so it looks like bag, right? So all of you see here, it looks like a flattened J, right? Okay, and it is the widest part of the alimentary canal, and the stomach receives food from the food pipe here. Okay, this is food pipe, right? It receives food from food pipe. Okay, and it receives food from food pipe, right? Okay, at one end again, and opens into the small intestine on the other end. Okay, so here this is the open, right? Okay, so here this opens at the end of the small intestine here. Okay, so inside the stomach, okay, so the inner lining of the stomach here secretes mucus and hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, and digestive juices also. Okay, so the mucus protects the lining of the stomach. Okay, the acids kills the many bacteria that enters along with the food, and it makes the medium in the stomach acidic and helps the digestive juices to act, okay, in the stomach. Okay, and the digestive juices breaking down the proteins into simple substance here, okay, in stomach.